Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the planetary positions in the month of December, which are most enigmatic. Mars, Ketu, Venus on the driving wheel for virus, natural calamities as mentioned by me in and the effects of the eclipse, because today is 8th of December and I had mentioned that on the 9th of December Mars will be activating the eclipse point, but after 5th it is in the same nakshatra as the eclipse point. So after between 5th and 9th there will be natural calamities, and also there will be some unforeseen circumstances for the head of the navy, head of the air, or head of the country. And we have just seen today that the chopper has crashed, in which Vipin Rawat was there. And let's hope for the best. Let's pray that everything is okay for him. And let me read out what I had written for this article. The month of December 2021 seems to be a most enigmatic one due to the following parameters. Solar eclipse on the 4th December. Eclipse point is 18 degrees Scorpio, which will be activated on the 31st December 2021. 5th December, Mars ingresses in Scorpio and degree conjunction with Ketu on the 15th to 19th in the Scorpio sign, and no activity should be done, no venture should be done during this period between 15th and 19th. Please keep this in mind. Venus ingresses in Capricorn on the 8th of December 2021 today and goes in retrogression on the 19th December 2021 as the 6th lord of the foundation chart of India, and also as per the Pisces new moon chart, and it indicates that when it goes in retrogression on the 19th of December there will be relapse of disease, and there could be also mutation in the virus. And then for 59 days on the 30th of December it will fall back in Sagittarius and it will remain there for 59 days, which is the most crucial time from 30th December to 27th February 2022. And even on 22nd February 2022 it will be in planetary war with Mars in the sign Capricorn, and there will be 5 planets in the sign Capricorn, and we will talk about it later. It has been observed that whenever the Cancer Capricorn axis is afflicted and Taurus Scorpio axis is afflicted and Mars is afflicted, then it is the most terrible time for the country, agony and pain and warlike situations in the country. So friends, this was the third point. Now next is the eclipse point of the lunar eclipse will be activated as a matter of fact on the 5th, but on the 9th it will be degree wise at 3 degrees. 9th of December, that means tomorrow. But the crash has taken place only today. So I had mentioned between the dates of 5th, 9th, 15th to 19th, and then 28th when Mars goes in just a star, which is the most ugliest period when Mars is in just a star between 28th December to 16th January, because it has been observed in the past that the ugliest things happen when Mars is in Scorpio afflicted, and then in the star Jyestha, the same star in which Ketu was there, and the disease, the second wave of virus had taken place. So this period is also prone to mutations and surge in the coronavirus. This coronavirus may create more panic than danger, and it may be less of intensity than the second wave. This is what my reading is, and the influence on the children can be more. They can be prone to this virus. And this Venus transit from the 8th December will be for 112 days in the sign Capricorn. Venus will be fallen in Sagittarius from the 30th December to for 59 days and will be in the 8th house of the India Foundation chart as the 6th lord in fallen status, and hence chronicity of virus may increase along with mutations. Marriages may be disturbed due to strained relationships who have parallel planetary positions in the natal and at the time of Muhurta of marriage. Any function of Muhurta of marriage. Mars will enter the star Jyesta on the 28th December as per the past, and the world ugliest happenings have happened when Mars is afflicted in the star which is most ferocious and bitter. All the above parameters will be also influence the stock and financial markets, and there will be lot of volatility in the same as already predicted. By one good news, the market will go up, and with one bad news, the market will go down. The surge in the virus, especially Omicron from South Africa, has taken place in the December 2021, parallel to 2013-14 Ebola virus from West Africa, which killed more than 11,000 people. Relapse of the virus will start after the 19th December, take ugly shape after the 30th December 2021, and peak between 30th December to 27th February 2022. There will be more panic till the above time frame. In the above time frame, however, the intensity may not be as the second wave, since Ketu is not in the Jyesta star but Mars in the Jyesta star from the 28th December to 16th January 2022 will be ugliest. Mars and Ketu in Scorpio, the 8th house of the natural zodiac and the 7th house of the Indian Foundation chart. It is a matter of concern for foreign connection and even warlike conditions and terrorism, and maybe border clashes with China and Pakistan. Snake bite for Bollywood and film industry. Yes, this industry will suffer the most. Yes, correct. My article, I have mentioned my article. My predictions seem to be coming true. Venus, the planet for love and beauty, will be in most afflicted condition and will transit for 112 days in Capricorn and for 59 days fallen state, like a snake bite for this industry in the sign Sagittarius, the 8th house of the India Foundation chart from where the virus had initiated. Those natives who are born in the age group of 24, 32, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and having affliction to Venus in the sign Sagittarius or Capricorn will suffer the most. There will be more panic than danger from the virus, but from 28 December to 16 January 2021, most prone time frame and even dangerous since Mars will be in just a star. Now read this. Omicron variant reinfection risk 3 times more than Delta. Kids unvaccinated at risk. COVID-19 Omicron. Over 16,000 passengers land in Delhi airport from high-risk countries. Omicron panic in Bollywood. Future seems uncertain. Venus affliction like snake bite for the industry. The news came on the 7th December 2021, just close to the eclipse point activation by Mars of the lunar eclipse of the 19th November 2021. And as the chopper has crashed, my predictions are spot on. As many as 80 flights have landed in Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport December 1 onwards from the countries identified as high-risk areas in the wake of the outbreak of Omicron variant of COVID-19. More than 16,000 passengers have landed in Delhi from these countries, have so far undergone the mandatory COVID-19 test at the airport so far. Senior officials from airports told CNN. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. Please read my articles. Venus, the goddess of love and beauty, ingresses Capricorn 8 December 2021. Overstay for 112 days, fallen in Sagittarius, 59 days, most venomous. Jacqueline Fernandez in hot waters in money laundering case, 30th December, after, as a matter of fact, from 8th December, 19th December, 30th December to 27th February 2022, most prone time for her. My predictions as per Chaitra Shukl Paksha Pratipada Pisces New Moon chart, 12th April 2021, proving spot on for virus spread. Even from the day one, my predictions have been spot on coronavirus. Whether it was start of the coronavirus and ease of the coronavirus, I had pinpointed the dates and my dates are 100%. They have turned out 100%. Red planet Mars ingresses in Scorpio on the 5th December. Havoc from rain, cyclone, earthquakes, virus on cards. Solar eclipse Scorpio, Omicron in 24 countries. Red alert and havoc from rain, cyclones, earthquakes, Mars on steering wheel till 16th January 2022, and there could be accidents, rail and air accidents. I have already mentioned about this, and a senior person can be involved in it, and today's chopper crash clearly indicates that the VVIP Mr. Vipin has been involved in it, and God bless him and save him. He is still in the hospital, and I pray that God saves him. Arjun Kapoor and Malika Arora breakup. Rumors with stars foretell as per declination charts and marriages in November and December. Nifty may be range bound from 16,700 to 18,000 from 5th December to 16th January 2022, and we have seen the Nifty going up and down for the last 2-3 days ever since Mars has ingressed in Scorpio. Omicron hanging fire till Mars red planet activates eclipse point on the 9th and 30th December 2021. New variant coronavirus Omicron in Pretoria creates emergency-like situations across the globe as predicted after 10th, 11th November 2021. All my predictions are proved 100%. Total solar eclipse on 4th December, 4-planet cluster in Scorpio sign, Mars about to join venomous for Omicron. New COVID variant Omicron looms over the globe. My astrology predictions prove spot on for virus and stock markets. Even I have written for the farmers. The farmers are still not satisfied, and I had mentioned that even after Modi withdraws the 3 laws, they may still be frustrated, and the reasons are best known. Let us hope for the best. This is all, my friends, I wanted to share, that astrology is most amazing. If you use the astrology in proper method with all the parameters, then there is no reason your prediction can go wrong. And unlike other astrologers, I am using 5 modules to analyze any query. 99.9% astrologers are only using birth charts, which are seldom correct, because even by time difference of 2 minutes, the whole mathematical calculations go haywire, the divisional charts change, and your predictions can go wrong. And birth chart is just like a passport, visa and ticket. Whether the flight is available or not, the birth chart cannot tell you. It can only tell you the probability and your previous Janma Karma. The present Janma Karma, for the present Janma Karma, you have to generate the dynamic charts by Prashna chart, by Ashtak Mangala, by Prashna Horary charts, by Shakun and Omens, by declination and progression charts, by LCM of planets. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that I am using 5 modules now as against 1 module used by the other astrologers. So this is all, friends. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day and bye-bye.